Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Foxy and this is Foxy Books and Planning. Today I have my September sticker haul for you. I just have my featured shop for the month and this will be the only sticker or the last sticker haul for a while. As I mentioned in my August video, I am going on a bit of a no-buy here for the next couple of months while my spouse and I save up for a house. So not going to be buying any stickers. I'm going to be trying to use what I have, or at least adjust what I have to try and make it fit. With that, let's just go ahead and jump into it. I've already opened the mailer so I could pull out my receipts. So let's get into it. So this is from a shop called Planner Me. They are a US shop. Yep. And I bought a lot of stuff from them. I happened to see one of their monthly kits on Instagram, and I really like what they were doing. And as I started looking, I started just adding more and more kits to my stack. So let's just get into it. So first off, I have this freebie pen. It looks like it might be Japanese or Korean. It's a very fine line black pen with a cute little tassel. I really like it. I'm sure it'll be a fun one to use in something when I'm writing or keep in my bag or something as an easy to spot item. So I'm going to start with the first kit. So that all of these kits are vertical weekly kits. And I'm going to start with this one because it has all of the sticker freebies in it. If I can get it open. Alright, so let's start with the freebies. So it looks like I have several little ones, and they might also be extras that go with kits. Yeah, because this one looks like it goes to this kit. This goes to this kit. That probably goes... Actually, these go to something else. This goes to this. No, these probably go to this. I'll see if the sunflowers make sense. Or they might have been thrown in as extras from another kit, because I don't have anything here that looks like it would be sunflowery. I do have some old kit setups and some new kit setups. It just kind of varies. I think there's only one old kit, so I'll do that one next. Yeah, because those go together. So the first kit is the Good Morning kit. Yeah, this goes because it's sunrise. And I got this because I really liked the full boxes. All of these are photo kits, which I'm kind of surprised by. I don't typically go for photo kits. So I was really amazed that I liked so much of her kits. But this is very much like a weekend breakfast with florals. And it's very green and kind of burnt red and orange. So we have our full boxes, and then we have our header strips, and I actually like these where she's made the header strips look like the photos instead of doing glitter or just plain color, how she has these kind of picture strips and a ton of checklists. And then we have 2 regular full boxes and 1 checklist full box and some small boxes down at the bottom. Oh, so these don't go to this kit, but I guess there must have been. So I will look at those in a little bit. So then we have some deco half boxes, deco quarter, or 2 different kinds of deco half boxes. I also really like this idea. If you wanted to do a spacer and a vertical spread, but maybe not use a full box, you could use those. And then we have 2 sets of full boxes, our date covers, little to buy and to do's, habit trackers that run Sunday to Saturday instead of Monday to Sunday, and then some headers. And then on this page we have some thicker headers. These are like quarter box size. Some more regular headers and some flags. And then our checklist boxes, which are all boxes, woo, and some little single checks, which I like. And then we have our washi, and then some little icons, some little dividers, and some flags. And all of these kits are her deluxe kit setup because I wasn't quite certain what was included. Or no, to get this sheet I had to do the deluxe. So I'm not quite certain what all is included other than that particular checklist sheet. But we do have this kind of additional functional sheet. So we have some alternate headers, some more structured half boxes, another weekly box, a full box, some celebrates, some bills, some 3 flags, 2 hydrate trackers, and 2 other habit trackers. And then the last one, we have some little things, some glitter headers, a different version of a heart checklist. So these are more like flag shaped instead of, or no, these ones are more like, I don't know how exactly, trapezoidal, maybe, instead of the flag shape. And then there's a notes box, another weekly box, some other decorative dividers, 2 weekend banners, and an extra set of smaller date covers. So that's actually really nice. So the extras that I seem to have gotten is I have an extra set of sunflowery kind of deco boxes, some half box plain boxes, another set of date covers with a to do and to buy, and then some sunflower covered habit trackers and headers. So I will set those off. Next, I'm going to do the kit that is not in the same format as everything else. This is the Autumn Valley kit, I believe. Or no, this is Fall Leaves or something like that. I'll throw up what the actual name of it is as the comments you'll know. Alright, so we have our full boxes, which are all these beautiful fall landscapey shots with rivers, and I just thought these were absolutely beautiful. This is the kind of photo spread that I love. Very much naturescape, not a whole lot of people or other things, but just like pictures of nature. Because I use a planner as kind of my meditative thing, so I really like this to help me meditate as I do my planner. Some color block headers, some flags. Then we have a header little thing. So we have headers, a different version of the habit trackers with little individual checkboxes, little things, bill dues, day offs, and paydays. So you can tell that this is a different setup because for one, the pages are smaller. But the pages are smaller because 1, they don't have that border, and 2, they're formatted a little differently to more effectively use the space. So she can do the same amount of stickers on less paper, which is totally fine. And I actually think I like her new setup more than this because there's more things that I like about that than I do so far on this. And then we have our variety of boxes and our icons. I definitely like that there are fewer icons in the new format because I don't use icons all that much. I'd rather use stuff from my collection or like my various like cartoon drawings and things, but these are very nice. And then we have our check boxes. So we have bows with checks, and then we have halves, and then to-dos and to-buys. Then we have a ton of heart checklist flags with little icons, glitter headers, weekend banner, and hydration bars. And then we have our bottom washi, which I really, really love this bottom washi. It's absolutely beautiful. And some bow glitter headers. And then we have strips, which these are more for use in a vertical planner because these will take up multiple boxes if you want a more decorative spread or more of a whiteout spread. I can still use these in place of these photos, and it actually means that if I really wanted to, I could probably get 2 weeks out of all of the kits that I've bought because there's so much stuff included. I can probably get 2 weeks out of each kit, which is amazing for the price. All right, and then I have the last one. We have 2 more big picture boxes, some date dots, date covers, and some more boxes. I definitely do like her new setup better, but I also love the fact that for the money I paid, I get a ton of stickers, so I can use these kits for more than 1 week. All right, next I'm going to do this one, which is the bookshelf kit. So this was another one. I really like reading, as a lot of you will know, because I do booktube as well. And I really liked that this was all just bookcases without girls reading or anything. It was just books. And it's a very neutral kind of brown with a pop of red color scheme. So here are the full boxes. And then we have our header strips, our checklist flags, some of our other boxes, our skinny divider items. And then we have our half boxes, date covers, to-dos, some headers, and our habit trackers. Then more boxes and some flags, some headers. I like how it's a little clover kind of down, or flower at the bottom. And then our checklist boxes. And then this absolutely gorgeous washi with the same icons and the same color scheme, so this doesn't change from kit to kit, which is totally fine. And then some more little dividers. And then yes, so we have 1, 2, 3. So I got doubles on this page, which is totally fine. I will happily take extras if it means I can stretch a kit another week. So we have more of directed functional stuff, so directed functional headers, directed at half boxes, another one of these weekly boxes, another full box, celebrates, bills, hydrates, habit trackers, and little heart checklists. And then our weekends with extra heart checklists, another weekly box. So I think I can get 2 or 3 weeks depending on how I choose to use this, which is amazing. All right, so next we have Autumn Valley, which is very similar to the kind of harvest, where all the leaves were red, except this is very green and yellow, which I love for fall. So we have our full boxes and flags. Deco strips, checklists, additional things, boxes, date covers, and habit trackers, boxes, flags, and headers, checklist boxes, our washi, where I like how, at least for this big sheet, she's made it the same image, so you can stack it and it will look like one image if you want to stack it that way. She didn't do it on the bottom though. Flags, icons. And then we have our more directed page and our weekend banner extra page. All right. All right, my next kit is the Thanksgiving kit. So with this, I'm just gonna kind of flip through the pages so you can see what the Thanksgiving kit looks like. Since I've gone through like 4 kits already, I'm pretty much set for fall now. I don't need any more kits, and I'm happy I'll be on a no spend because then I won't be tempted to buy any more kits. But this is like her Thanksgiving, and I really liked this because a lot of Thanksgiving kits feature the turkey and the football and the shopping, and I really liked this where it was more of the gourds and the table decoration as opposed to the feasting element. And I like that it's very, very neutral with kind of a pop of pumpkin. Or it lets the gourds speak for themselves, depending on how you look at it. And then she did the same thing where the 2 pieces of washi will make up the full image for the pumpkins. Alright, and then my last 2 kits I got from her are both monthly kits. One is November and one is December. The November kit matches that kind of fall red woodsy kit that I really like. and I wanted, these were the kits that I was originally going to pick up, were just the monthlies, and then I saw her weekly spreads and picked up some weekly spreads too. So for November, we have this beautiful autumn landscape with date dots, and then headers, a bill due, some to-do stickers, some deco boxes for maybe days you don't have anything going on. The next month, and it runs Monday to Sunday. Does it run here? Yeah, it runs Sunday to Saturday on this one as well, so I'll have to adjust and make sure I haven't already planned stuff in a certain way in my November spread, so I'll just have to adjust a little bit for the Sunday to Saturday. Then we have some holidays, appointment labels, more appointments, any notes. These are bigger, so these would be for like a sidebar. And then we have lots of little dots as kind of like appointment dots. And then we have two options for the sidebar. We have this big notes, this might be for the bottom of the month. But yes, so there's that. And then last but not least is the December kit, which I have a feeling will be very similar to November, but I liked this because it says it's Christmassy, but it's not Christmas in your face. If you're not sensing a theme, I really like understated holiday kits where you get the holiday feel, but it doesn't slap you in the face with the holiday. So we have December. And then the boxes with some of the headers and strips. Holidays, little boxes. And I really like how they use the cranberry instead of like the Christmas red. And then the extra sheet of washing the sidebar. So that is all I have to show you for this month. Going forward, I'm going to be doing a looking back on my sticker purchases from the previous year, starting with August of 2019, showing you what I used, how I used it, and giving you some thoughts about how I felt after I used stuff. But with that, I do thank you for watching this video. Please do remember to like and subscribe. If there is a sticker shop you would like me to check out, if you're a shop owner that would like me to check you out when I'm not on a no spend, please hit me up in the comments down below or hit me up on Instagram. And my YouTube channel email address is included in my bio, so feel free to email me as well. But I hope to talk at you in another video, and have a good rest of your day. Bye.